Oh! Oh! My first! My first! Oh.
The National
What's this
Weather
for?
Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern
Oh my god,
Paulding
this is my
County
first.
in west central Georgia, southeastern Henry County in north central Georgia, western Butts County in central Georgia until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:53
Yes.
a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous
What?
tornado was located near Chapel Mill, or 8
Oh
miles
my
east of
god.
Griffin, moving northeast at
No.
55 miles per hour.
Holy...
This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now.
A PDS.
Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those
PDS.
shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed.
Oh my god.
Considerable damage to homes, businesses.
Holy
and
shit.
and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Jackson, Locust Grove, Jenkinsburg,
fuck.
Cuban, Centreville, and Wartville. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Holy
Avoid
fuck.
windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and
fuck.
protect yourself from flying debris. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or
This is my first tornado warning.
PDS Atlanta. Significant weather advisory.
Holy... Oh. Oh my god. I'll be back sooner, guys, in case there's something.